Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. I'm talking about another exciting, powerful, that's what I'm looking for. Powerful site where you can earn as much as $60 or more per hour. Yesterday I did another site, and a lot of people have earned a lot of money from that site. And thank you guys for sending me your testimonials, and your proof. It's awesome that that's what I do this for. I want to spread prosperity. Then I also listen to your feedback, and a lot of you are saying yes, yes, we are making money from this site, but we want more. And a lot of people will see that as greed. That's not greed. A lot of you are living, and in the harshest conditions. But I've traveled all around Africa. I've traveled all around Asia. India, Bangladesh, Cambodia, and I've seen the kind of systematic endemic, pandemic, and generational poverty that there is. And this is what I can do to help you solve, you know, your problems. I love prosperity, not just for myself, but for everybody around me. And as for many people, I can reach, and that's why I'm here. Okay. With further ado, yesterday we talked about a few sites that you could earn few bucks from, and this particular site today is very easy and very powerful. I actually prefer it to the ones we shared yesterday because of the way they structured the site. Now it's so structured. You've got millions of workers from all over the world, and they've got employers, corporations, individual banks, school banks, manufacturers, you just name it, all right? They've got them there. And their system is it's neat. It's really neat. I'm going to tell you how the system works. What they do is that they have a variety of jobs, and then they have a special technique to make sure that you complete tax. And when you get paid, and then when you are paid, you get your money every Wednesday or Sunday, I think. So you get your money every Wednesday and Sunday. For now, okay, the site is microworkers.com. The one I'm going to put up here so that I can see it. Microworkers. I've not even typed it, and then it's up. Microworkers.com. Yes, here we go. Um, it's gonna flash up. Okay, here. Um, so this is it. Microworkers. Now, what does this site do? What they do is that they connect people who do micro work with employers who are looking for micro workers, and they do it in a very cost efficient manner. And so there's a lot of savings, and those savings go to you who do the tax, and to the employers. So rather than employing big PR agencies, or employing like big employment friends, they just come directly to you to call out the middleman, and it's very easy. So what you do is you click on the register. When you're on the site, it's going to flash off. I think I'm going to walk you through this. Yes, so guys, you're going to see register, and when you register as a worker, you're going to put your phone number and your country, because they're going to send you verification code. They want to make sure they're dealing with real human beings. They're not dealing with you, like robots. They're dealing with you. So I'm going to register just here. Now, how do you get paid from this site? What you do is that you click on jobs, tax. Don't worry, it's going to come up on the screen, and then you're going to see varieties of jobs. There are just so many jobs to do here. Remote jobs. I don't know why this is not coming up, but I think it's a network issues. Entry, okay, like survey, data entry, reviewing the sites, reviewing an app, or tweeting or Facebooking, Instagram, something else. Just click on that job. When you click that job, you're going to see what the employer that is the person who is listing, that's the person who is listing the job, what they require, all right, as a proof and how they require you to submit that proof. And if you feel you can meet the requirements, then you click on accept. I accept. When you click on accept, now you've locked in that job, and the job is locked in for you. Nobody else can do it. So now you need to perform the job. When the job is done, try your best to do the job very well, because you know there's this thing. What you have to understand, what you have to know. This is the spring. I've got a little hay fever. And what you need to understand is that when you're performing a job, the employer is going to rate you so that they've got a rating system like Uber and Bolt, like Amazon. So if you don't do a shorty job, the employer is going to rate you badly, and they're going to give you 1 star, maybe 2 star, or you don't want that, right? It's going to affect you in the future. A lot of people are going to say they don't want people who have less than this kind of rating. So do the job very well, so that when you do the job and then submit it with a proof of work, you get paid. You got to remember that this is side hustle. And then okay, I think it's up now. I'm gonna put in my name, date of birth. It's gonna take a long time. But it's a very easy thing to go. When you're used to computer or phone, you can do this on your phone. Absolutely. Micro workers on your phone. You just go ahead and register. Just register your account here and all of that. And then you can withdraw easily as well. Um, one good thing about micro workers is that they have an FAQ page where you could like a frequently asked questions. They have answers to some of your questions. Um, you could read about everything you need to know about the site for starting out. For now, this is the best of my knowledge, and then they operate in every country. To the best of my knowledge, they operate in every country. But what I know, some of the sites, even though that they operate in every country, there are some countries where they put it nicely. There's a lot of scams and like fraud. So these sites, even though they say they work with everybody, sometimes like they might just be silent. They might just silence the code. At least with what I'm looking at, um, they'll just blacklist a country, and then you register and everything goes on well. But very good. When you try to register and everything does not go on very well, don't feel bad. This is the information age. Just collaborate with somebody in the country where they work. So you just collaborate in the United States, in the Canada, in UK, continental Europe, in South Africa, and some of those countries where they work, and then that person registers, and then you do the work. As long as the work get done, then there's no crime and there's no criminality involved, right? So you collaborate with people that's just the best you can do, because these countries, need to clean up their reputations. It's not the fault of these companies or the websites. It's what's happening in these countries nowadays. Anyway, I digress. So if you listen to me and watch this video and you have questions arising from this video, it might be that I talk too fast, or it might be that my accent is funny. It might be that something else. Put your questions. Just put your questions in the comment section. We're very good at answering questions. We're going to send a message and get back to you immediately. And make sure you watch all of our videos. Um, they are sure to help you in several ways. You can see it has come up. It's up now. Some of these templates, job. So this is an overview of what they do. Video transcription, search relevancy, categorization, survey, image quality rating, dynamics, website classification. So many work. Look at the FAQs. So in case you're looking for the FAQs, we finally found the button.